Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. We're really happy that you're here with us today.
Yes, because today we have a warm, friendly, and very real English conversation for you.
That's right. We're talking about one of the easiest and most fun topics in everyday English.
The weekend!
A simple topic, natural vocabulary, and the kind of conversation people have all the time in real life.
In today's story, you'll hear us share what we did on Saturday and Sunday. The fun moments, the quiet moments, and all the little details.
It's perfect for learning past tense, weekend vocabulary, and everyday expressions.
So relax, get comfortable, and follow along with us.
And, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with your friends.
Ready to jump into the conversation?
Let's begin our story. Sarah, how was your weekend? Was it busy?
Pretty busy, yes, but fun. How about you, Adam? Was your weekend good?
It was great. A much nicer weekend than I expected.
Sounds interesting already. So tell me, what was your Saturday like?
Saturday morning, I went to the shopping mall with my family.
Oh, you went to the mall too. I love going to the mall.
Me too. But this time was special because we didn't buy anything.
Nothing at all? So you went window shopping?
Exactly. Just walking, looking around, enjoying the place.
Window shopping is sometimes more fun than real shopping.
I agree. And we had ice cream as well.
Ice cream. What flavor?
Chocolate, of course.
The number one flavor. Chocolate is always right.
I know. We sat, ate ice cream, then walked around again.
That sounds simple, but very enjoyable.
What about your Saturday morning, Sarah?
Very different from yours. I didn't go to the mall.
Then where did you go?
I went to the park.
The park sounds lovely.
The weather was beautiful, sunny, warm, and breezy.
A perfect morning for the park.
Yes, I brought my bicycle.
You have a bicycle?
I do. A yellow bicycle. Old, but I love it.
Old bikes usually have a special feeling to them.
I think so too. And my daughter has a small pink bike.
So you two rode together?
Yes, it was fun and really sweet.
I can imagine. The park, bicycles, nice weather.
After cycling, we sat on the grass and relaxed.
That sounds very peaceful.
It really was. I love simple, quiet moments like that.
So we had two very different mornings. I was in a busy mall, and you were in a peaceful park.
Yes, but both enjoyable.
What about Saturday night? Did you rest?
Not at all. My Saturday night was loud.
Loud? You went to a concert?
No, I went to my nephew's birthday party.
Ah, children's parties. Those are definitely loud.
My nephew turned 6. He has more energy than 10 adults.
I understand. Kids' birthday parties are always chaotic in a cute way.
Exactly. Lots of kids running, shouting, playing games, balloons everywhere.
And I'm guessing there was a big cake, too.
Yes, a huge chocolate cake.
This weekend is full of chocolate. For both of us.
I guess so. It was fun, but very tiring.
My Saturday night was the opposite.
What did you do?
I had dinner with my wife.
Sounds calm already.
A quiet dinner at a small Japanese restaurant.
Sushi?
Yes, sushi. Really delicious.
Now I'm craving sushi.
We just ate and talked. No noise, no rush.
A perfect evening.
Yes, after a busy mall morning, a peaceful dinner was perfect.
So your night was quiet, while mine was loud. But both were good.
Exactly.
After such a loud night, I guess your Sunday was a resting day?
Absolutely. My Sunday was very lazy.
Perfect. Lazy Sundays are the best.
I stayed in my pajamas until almost noon.
I love that. It's the true Sunday vibe.
In the afternoon, my family and I just stayed home.
You didn't go anywhere?
Nope, we watched movies together.
What movie?
A comedy. We laughed the whole time.
Comedy is the best choice for a family weekend.
And of course, popcorn.
A movie without popcorn is wrong.
Exactly. After the kids went to sleep, my wife and I watched a new series.
Was it good?
Very good. A new show, but really interesting.
That sounds like a perfect, relaxing Sunday.
It was. I love slow, simple Sundays like that.
What about you, Sarah? Was your Sunday peaceful too? Very peaceful. I went to church in the morning.
Do you go every week?
Almost. It helps me feel calm.
A quiet morning to think and be thankful.
Exactly. I feel refreshed and ready for a new week.
A peaceful mind is important.
At noon, we had a big Sunday lunch at home.
Sunday lunches are always delicious.
Yes. Then, in the afternoon, I read a book.
Reading is such a relaxing activity.
I love reading. Time passes so quickly when I'm reading.
And your evening?
I watched a movie too.
So Sunday is officially movie day.
It feels like it, but I love that calm feeling.
Same here.
When you look at it, our weekends were quite interesting.
Yes, very different, but still relaxing in their own ways.
I like that. 2 weekends, 2 moods, but both enjoyable.
And honestly, sometimes the simple details make the weekend special.
Exactly. Like your big chocolate ice cream at the mall.
Or your peaceful bike ride in the park.
That's true. It's funny how little things can make us happy.
And when we talk about it like this, everything feels even more vivid.
Yes, like replaying the moment in our minds.
And we used so many useful expressions while talking about our weekends.
We really did. All those natural phrases people use every Monday morning.
Like, I went to the mall, I rode my bicycle, I watched a movie.
And I rested. I read a book. I had sushi.
Simple sentences, but they paint the picture so clearly.
They do. Weekends are such an easy topic to talk about.
And one of the most common, everyone asks about the weekend.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
It was busy.
It was relaxing.
I think people ask that question not just to talk, but to connect.
True. Hearing about another person's weekend feels personal.
And honest. Weekends show what we enjoy when we finally have free time.
Yes, some people like to stay home and rest.
Others like to go out, see friends, or try new things.
And some people, like you last weekend, end up at loud birthday parties.
Oh, yes, that chaos was unforgettable.
But fun, right?
Fun, but exhausting. I needed a nap after that party.
I can imagine. Meanwhile, my dinner was the complete opposite, quiet and peaceful.
Sushi nights always feel calm.
Totally. It's like the food whispers, relax.
But that's the beauty of weekends. Every person has a different story.
One person may have a loud weekend, another a quiet one.
But both have meaning and joy in their own way.
That's what makes this topic fun to talk about.
Exactly. No matter how simple a weekend is, it always has something memorable.
Even staying at home in pajamas until noon can be special.
Maybe especially that.
True, there's something magical about not rushing.
Or having time to breathe, to enjoy family, or just enjoy yourself.
I like how weekends balance us.
They do. They reset our minds for the new week.
And hearing your weekend story makes me appreciate my own more.
Same here. It's nice to share these moments.
And describing them out loud makes me notice things I didn't think about.
Yes, it's like finding meaning in simple moments.
And that's why I enjoy these conversations with you.
Me too, Adam. Weekends may be short, but the memories last.
And sharing them makes them even better.
It really does. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!